Hi, this is Luke Russell here with Algo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks and hedge funds trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at Algo, our AI is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities with the most unusual signals of volume in private exchanges, so you can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. The same thing applies to the trending downside of the equation, and of course, that's still in the small, mid, and the large cap spaces. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending upside of the equation. I want you guys to see how Roku, ROKU, pops up on our system with a 341% increase in bullish volume. No surprises when the stock jumps 20% as a result. What our AI is detecting is that in these private exchanges, typically only $164 million of the stock is traded on a day-by-day average, and then suddenly nearly $570 million today gets pressed in. Hundreds of millions of dollars of extra volume. Now, it's important to get access to the information early. Our AI was identifying it in the pre-market down here. Roku announces their earnings after hours and beats it handsomely. If you were able to make a transaction at the beginning of the day, the stock has jumped, including after hours, a total of about 22%. So let's go ahead and take a look at when the AI went through the private exchanges to find when institutions were doing transactions. 8:06 a.m., all the way in the pre-market today with 2.5 times the average volume. If you had done transactions on Roku, you can see that most of them are up in the triple-digit space. Of course, now that the stock has jumped significantly after hours, these will probably handsomely be in the 300 to 400% return range tomorrow when you exit. You could have already made a triple-digit return while the market is open, could have held some contracts over for an excellent earnings trade. The private exchanges and the institutions led the way on this one, just like they do on many opportunities. Another one from today is Trade Desk, TTD. I want you guys to see how it popped up with a 1,500% increase in institutional buying pressure. So again, no surprises when the stock jumps nearly 15% as a result. What's typically seen there in private exchanges on a day-to-day basis is $87 million. Today it was $1.3 billion. Billions of dollars extra than what's normal. So of course it makes a massive move from $58 all the way to nearly $68. Getting access to the information is the important part with speed and transparency at 8:06 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You could see right when Roku was identified as well, 228 times the average amount of bullish volume that's normally seen there. If you had done transactions on Trade Desk today in the call option space, comfortable triple-digit returns, 300%, 500%, 700%. Let's say, for example, you did the $65 call option, had the most open interest in daily volume. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 5-minute chart. At the beginning of the day, options opened at just around 33 cents. That means that its maximum was a 600% return. The benefit of getting information early, and the whole point is to get it down here instead of getting it over here or over here when the retail market commonly gets it. People panic and sell at a loss, or now they're wondering if it's too late to make the trade. Even if you're making the trade down here, even after some of these dips, it's profit throughout and you had longer to react to it. Just a great trading opportunity. And it wasn't just Trade Desk. The other opportunity I want to go over before we close things out, even though we could go through a ton of them, let's finish with MARA. 241% increase in institutional trending up volume today. Actually, it popped up on our system yesterday on February the 14th. You could see at the top of the board with a 170% increase in institutional trending up bullish volume. So it was originally identified in the pre-market yesterday. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the way MARA has moved over the past 2 days. This is a 15-minute chart. The stock went from 582 to $8. That's a 37% move. And I want you guys to see the alert here. So let's take a look at MARA. You can see at 8:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on February the 14th is when it first popped up. So over the course of the past 2 days, it's gone up over 30%. The stock was identified at $6.01, $6.01. If you had done a couple different day trades, you could have done a swing trade. Let's take a look at MARA. Let's say, for example, you had done the $7 call option. As identified at $6, let's say you had done the $7. And we're going to take a look at the 5-minute chart. All the way down here on the 14th. Options were only 10 cents at the beginning of that day. It's a 950% return. Maybe you went ahead and got out in one day at a 150% return, and then you day traded it again today for another 150% return. But again, the whole point, get the information down here, get the information down here. Stop getting the information too late, guys. Stop seeing only a portion of the market. Join our winning team here at Trade Algo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.